Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We are back today with another update on AXIE INFINITY AXS. Okay, so we are going to see some major things going on right there. Before we continue, join our monthly subscription, guys. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more and I want to give everyone the time needed. Okay, it is very important, and of course you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below as well. We are a community that grows together every day and will help each other every day. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see now what has changed from yesterday. We have some news going on right there, and what are we going to see in the near future for AXS. So we still have the 58 Tether USD as our next price target, right? This hasn't changed, and if you've seen the last video, the previous video, guys, yesterday, I've told you that I have drawn two Fibonacci, one Fibonacci retracement and one Fibonacci trend, Fibonacci actually extension. Okay, so you can see that the Fibonacci extension I have drawn is from this bottom right here, where the second number is the 2 number you can see there, from the bottom to the top to the bottom on the 4. Okay, so we get some price extension levels, and the 1.618, as you can see if I zoom in, is our next price target according to the Fibonacci extension. Another way you can do it is if you draw your Fibonacci retracement from the bottom on 20 July to the top on 24 July. You can see that when you draw the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, you mainly find support levels. But if you have on your settings the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, then you can get major resistance levels or next price target. So eventually, guys, the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement is exactly at the 1.618. That's crazy, guys. 58.37 exactly is our next price target. In case we correct a little bit, the 35.88, 31.7 around here is our next price target in case we correct. Okay, and you can see that the Elliott wave, the Elliott impulsive wave theory is this. We have the 0 right here. If I zoom out a little bit, we have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are going into 5, where we want to see eventually we can go even higher for AXS, and we are hoping to go even higher. Let's see a little bit the MACD. Nothing to worry about here. We had a little bit of a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line, but this is actually pretty healthy, guys. We don't have to worry about these bearish crosses. This is due to an overbought situation when we have the commodity channel index above the 100, or when we have the stochastic RSI above the 80, sometimes when we have the RSI above the 70. The only reason that we should be a little bit careful is if we go down the support line, and especially the support level. If we go all the way down here, then this won't be good, but for now we are pretty cool. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go right now to the RSI, the commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI, and you can see that according to the RSI now we are between 30 and 70. The RSI is between 30 and 70. We are not having an overbought situation. Back in the days, in the previous days we had, now we are not, and what we are hoping for is maybe we go another time above the 70. We want to have this pattern going on for AXS so we can get to the 58 Tether USD, our next price target. Okay, for the commodity channel index it is the same. We want a pattern following like this so we can go to our next price target. We don't want to follow to have actually the commodity channel index go beyond the minus 100. This is the minus 100 for the commodity channel index, almost there. You can see that, guys. We don't want to fall down into beyond this gray area right here, you can see on your screen. Okay, and the stochastic RSI, guys, is in an oversold situation. When the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation on an impulsive wave, this is the only indicator you should trust from the commodity channel index, not the commodity channel index nor the RSI. The stochastic RSI is the only indicator you should trust. I will show you exactly why. You can see the minor corrections we had back in the first impulsive wave, and you can see the only indicator that went into an oversold situation and we could identify the bottom is the stochastic RSI right here. Okay, you can see that while the commodity channel index and the RSI remained at higher levels, not in an oversold situation, only the stochastic RSI went. So you have to see the stochastic RSI in an impulsive wave. So if this continues to go even higher, then we are now at a perfect buying opportunity right here to go even higher. You can see that the stochastic RSI is beyond 20 in the 4-hour frame on TradingView. And we can go now to the daily frame, and you can see on the daily frame the MACD, we had a very small bearish cross, quickly recovered, and we went upwards. It reminds me a little bit of Matic Polygon, guys, where we had a minor correction going on, and then we had a bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line again. And you can see how strong now it is. The blue line is way above the signal line, the orange line we can see on the screen. Okay, so according to the RSI, we are in an overbought situation on the daily frame, the Bollinger Bands right here. When we approach the top line, you can see that we have a risk. Sometimes we have, sometimes we don't. In an impulsive wave, guys, we just ride the top line of the Bollinger Bands and we don't care. Even though we had multiple times risky moments right here, we just went up and up again. We had the shooting star candle right there, and of course we went downwards a little bit, then went upwards again. Okay, so you can see now that we are at the top line of the Bollinger Bands. If this continues to grow, we won't be caring. Okay, so let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we had a selling opportunity right here. No, we had a buying opportunity back on 21st July, but not yet a selling opportunity according to the SSL hybrid, an indicator that I trust most of the times. Sometimes I don't trust it, mainly when to sell, not when to buy. Okay, when we have an indicator on when to buy, it is most of the times correct, but when to sell it is a little bit off. Okay, so let's go right there to the commodity channel index to see that we are in an overbought situation in all of the risk metrics, even the stochastic RSI, the RSI, the commodity channel index, all of the three risk metrics are in an overbought situation. Okay, so we can move forward to the AXS Bitcoin chart, and here the things are a little bit different. You can see how smoothly we stopped at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it, how smoothly we stopped here, had a huge buying pressure. Now we are moving along the Fibonacci retracement lines. I've drawn my Fibonacci from the bottom to the top to identify major support levels, and we have two, right? The 0.5 and the 0.618, which was our previous high right here. In case we drop down, guys, from the 0.5, then it is very possible to stop around the 0 right here. Okay, but we are still fine, we are still good. Although this is a very bearish candle, for now we are good. We had some buying pressure right here, so we don't have to worry on the 4-hour frame, although AXS Bitcoin chart looks a little bit weaker than the AXS Tether USD. You can see that on the commodity channel index we are way more down. We are near the minus 100 at minus 66, and of course the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation right now. Okay, the RSI is now at 50, which means, guys, if Bitcoin corrects very much and has a very bearish moment, then we might lose some support levels even in the AXS Tether USD TradingView platform, guys, on the chart. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. You can see on the daily frame we are finding the 20-day EMX potential moving average, the yellow line, as a support level. Now we want to see eventually if we will stop again at the 20-day MA before we can go upwards even higher. We want to form a pattern following on like this, where we will go above the 70 again for AXS Bitcoin chart, same with the commodity channel index, and same of course with the stochastic RSI, that now it is not in an overbought situation. It was back then, but now it is not. And the MACD, you can see here that it looks a little bit identical to the XS USDT. Only thing that is different is that the blue line has more horizontal angle, and it is about to form a little bit to go down right here, but we don't have a bearish moment yet. So we can go now to AXS Tether USD to discuss a little bit about the price analysis and where can we go. Of course, we will keep the 58.1, 58 around there, guys, to 60 Tether USD as our next price target for AXS, and we will discuss a little bit of what can go wrong. I will go to the Bitcoin chart right now, and you can see that on the Bitcoin on the daily frame, guys, we are way above the commodity channel index, way above the 100 for the commodity channel index, right? And you can see every time we go a little bit above, we just correct. You can see that we correct right here around the 16th April, 12th actually to 13 April, 8th May, 13 June, 14 June, sorry, and of course right now 26 July we have a very high risk, right? Even the RSI tends to go near the 70. When you see that, guys, then this won't be good. This means, guys, that we will be going upwards very much, but the good thing is here that we surpassed the previous high for the RSI. We just stopped having the lower highs in the RSI, okay? Therefore, this is good for the Bitcoin. We stopped having the lower highs. You can see that on the daily frame. This is totally good for Bitcoin on the daily. On the 4-hour frame, let's go a little bit on the 4-hour frame. We have a very high risk right here. You can see the RSI, you can see the commodity channel index. All of the risk metrics are in an overbought situation right here for Bitcoin. But of course, guys, we can go a little bit higher. You can see that we are now at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, the 38,700. If we go a little bit higher than the previous high right here, formed at the 41,000, you can see, guys, that we can get even higher, and maybe we can go to 44,000. okay, so this will be huge for altcoins. This will be huge for many other things, including the AXS, and we can go even higher to the 58 Tether USD. If we have a breakdown right here and we just correct and go even down, I believe, guys, that we might be going down to 36 and 32 Tether USD, maybe even a little bit lower, okay, to the 27, but we will see about that. Right now things are looking good. We had a huge buying pressure right here on the daily frame for AXS. We want this candle to close above the 41.28. we want to close above this level right here, so we can be sure that we won't go to the 36. We will stay here around there, and of course we can go to the 58 Tether USD, which is our next price target. So nothing has changed really, only the AXS Bitcoin chart, which is a little bit more bearish than the AXS Tether USD. And of course, guys, you should be a little bit careful for Bitcoin because we are in an extremely oversold situation. We might be going off into new resistance levels going on right here, especially, guys, if we just break the 41,400, it will be very good. We have here on the 4-hour frame a very nice bullish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, and on the daily frame, guys, we are finally above the 50-day EMA, guys. We had to see that from 8th May around there, 30 April, you can see where we had the 59,000, then we just crashed down and we corrected for so much. We have a very nice pump up. That doesn't mean we will be going to previous all-time highs pretty soon for me, but anyway, we will discuss about that. Join our monthly subscription, guys, to get easy profits. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.